Hello everyone, here are some beautiful hairstyles that you can make at home. Start by making a ponytail, then braid the small part of the hair from the beginning, then do the same from the end, then tie up the middle part. Pull the strands from the above and it's beautifully done. Moving on, braid the hairs from the front, then by taking the hairs from the sides, tie up the hair in half, then roll it once, and then tie up the entire hair, tie it again, pull the leftover hairs from the above, then roll it into a bun and it's done. Moving on, first tie the hairs into half, then roll it once. Braid the half part of the hairs and pull out the strands. Do the same with the other half and tie it up from below and it's done. Moving on, tie half of the hairs from above, then roll it once. Braid the half part of the hair, then do the same with the other half. Tie it from below and it's done. Moving on, take some hair from the side, roll it once, do the same with the other side, tie them all together, then tie them into half, roll them once, then pull it from the above and it's done. Moving on, take the part of the hair from the side, roll it once, then tie them all together, then tie it again, then pull it from above, roll the hairs and then make a bun and it's done. Moving on, take some hairs from the sides, roll them once, then pull it from above, braid the side part of the hair, do the same with the other side, then tie them and pull it from above and it's done. Moving on, turn the hairs, roll them into a bun, tightly roll it and then pin it from below, then tighten it and it's beautifully done. Moving on, first make a ponytail, tie up the upper part, roll it once, then roll it once again with the other part, tie them all above, then braid the hairs, braid the other part of the hair, then tie it from below, it's done. Moving on, roll the half of the hairs, then after rolling it, roll it in a circle and pin it up. Then take the other half, roll it from above and it's done. Moving on, take some part of the hair from above, braid a small part of that hair, pull it from above, insert the hairs between it and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail, take it into half, then roll it inside out, pull the strands as shown, then after doing it, pull out the strands again and it's done. Moving on, tie the hairs in half, roll it once, tie the entire hair, tie it again, then roll it from above, make a bun and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail, then roll the hairs, pull it across the garter, make a proper bun and then pin it from above and it's done. Moving on, take a small part from the sides and then tie it all together. Do the same with the other half, then do it upside down and it's done. Moving on, take the half part of the hairs from the sides, then put a bow clip. You can take more different colors of bow clips and put it. Thank you for watching.